For us as human beings, there are 27 known emotions. Some of them, such as sadness, happiness, or anger, we can recognize immediately. However, our inner world is much richer and sometimes it is troubled by complex problems that we cannot immediately identify. This is your guide to the inner world of humans. Every year, more than 25% of the European population suffers from anxiety or depression. As many as 50% of these cases do not seek the help of a specialist during their lifetime. Raising awareness of mental health disorders is the first step in removing taboos from this topic. The most common problems that affect a person's mental health include burnout, depression, anxiety, or panic attacks. What do people who suffer from these problems experience inside? Burnout syndrome manifests itself in the fact that a person works more but produces less. They can feel frustrated, exhausted, and be overcome by physical fatigue. The desire to take risks is replaced by fear and anxiety about failure. Their attitudes become more negative until they can overcome the complete resignation and apathy for their work. Depression can be characterized as a long-lasting feeling of deep sadness. One focuses on the negative aspects of life and constantly feels like they are failing. It's difficult for them to love themselves or their qualities. They are overcome by fatigue and lose the desire to do anything. They can lose interest in themselves, in their appearance or friends and family, and can be sensitive to various emotions that easily upset them. The hopelessness of their situation can lead to suicidal thought. Anxiety arises from a large number of accumulated emotions that a person cannot process, so they remain unexpressed inside of them. This tension can cause physical symptoms such as headaches or vomiting. Anxiety is most often manifested by palpitations, chest tightness, and shortness of breath. This tension can cause shaking, sweating, or even stomachache. A panic attack is an uncontrollable and intense feeling of fear, restlessness, and anxiety, which can be accompanied by physical symptoms such as increased heartbeat, sweating, tremors, and constriction of the throat. This condition can feel like a physiological collapse of the entire body. A panic disorder can cause feelings of depersonalization and detachment from the world. Remember that by talking openly about our mental health, we can help not only ourselves, but also our loved ones. If you want to know more about mental health, listen to our podcast, which will answer your questions. For more information, follow the link in the description.